So, you want to join the betrayal among players? Here's how you play Among Us. Once you open the app, click Online. Below are 3 categories. First is you're going to create the room and become the host. Second is to join a random room created by other players. And third is you have to enter a code to join a private room. So let's go to public. Above are 3 maps, the Skeld, the Mira HQ, and the Paulus. Here are the number of imposters in the game. 1 imposter, 2 imposters, or you can have 3 imposters. And below are the rooms you can join. So let's play the game. As you enter the room, you can chat with other players, customize the character's color, choose a hat, or just roam around if you want to. As the game starts, you'll be informed either you'd be an imposter or crewmate. You will be selected randomly. So let's compare what both characters can do during the game. Crewmate. As a crewmate, there are 2 ways to win. First is you have to complete certain tasks. And as you and your crewmate do tasks, the taskbar will slowly update. If it's full, you win. In order to do tasks, check the map and proceed to the yellow markings. The second way of winning is by simply finding who the imposter is. Imposter. As an imposter, there is only one way of winning, and that's by killing everyone on the ship. As an imposter, there are 4 things you can do. First, you can hide in vents and travel underneath. To do so, stay close to vents and click vents. And to travel, click the arrows of the desired destination. Second, you can create chaos by clicking sabotage. Third, you can close the door so you can lock up for the kill. And lastly, imposters are the only ones who can go for the kill. After the game, you can see which team wins. The game is just a matter of strategy and having big IQ like Mr. Beast, Pewds, and Corpse. I hope you find that video tutorial helpful, and just a small favor lang po, I hope you would subscribe to this YouTube channel para we can still continue making tutorial videos like this one. Peace!